Hey everyone, so is your laptop running slow and you want to make it fast? So in this video, I will explain you three laptop settings to instantly boost speed. So for this, you can search here like storage. So storage sense, you can open this one, turn on storage sense. So this is the first setting. Open it, and from here storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So you can turn on this. This step is also very mandatory and will boost your speed because the files you are not using, that will be automatically deleted. So it will automatically free up space. You got my point. And second settings, you can go to the task manager and open here. For example, if you can see fewer details like this, you can click on more details. Then you will open this startup. So these are the files that open automatically when your Windows, open. So you can, when your computer start, laptop start, so you can right click and you can disable these files. One of them or two of them, any one of them which you want that should be disabled when computer starts, so you can disable them. So this will also boost your laptop speed. Third step, you can type here like, in all steps you will go to the Windows search here, and here you will type here um, percentage temp, and then again type percent, and then open. So it will open your temporary files. So you can control A, use control A to select all of them, and then you can delete them by shift delete, or only delete will go to recycle bin. So therefore I will recommend you to use shift plus delete and enter. And some files which you can skip because some programs are running, so you can see some of them, all of them, almost 85% will be delete. 90%, if you have some open, if you have some softwares open, then you need to close first. You can see I have deleted almost 80-90% temp files. So these three steps, turn on storage sense and go to task manager and just go to startup and disable the programs that you don't want to run when your computer startup, and type percentage temp percentage and access your temp folder and delete the all temporary files. So these three steps will boost the speed instantly of your laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends, and also press the bell icon for more tutorials, for more AI tools, and a lot of things that I upload on my channel. Thank you so much once again.